Okay, look what arrived. I'm so excited. Okay, so we have, hi Violet. We have the TrailBuddy. Hi TrailBuddy. Alexa, stop. We have the TrailBuddy aluminum cork trekking poles. I've been waiting for these, and these are gonna make my ultra running training go so much better. So if you are planning a hiking trip, if you're gonna be doing a lot of trail running, if you're gonna be out in the wilderness, consider getting some of these hiking poles. They will save your knees. You will feel so much better with these after a long day of getting in tons and tons of miles. I love that these come in purple. Yes. Here we go. And they are going to extend, I believe. Why read directions? Why would anybody do that? So we can adjust the height here. Oh, we can adjust the height here. You've got two places to adjust the height. And also down here, it gives you the measurements. Do you see that? Yeah. There you go, the measurements. Okay. And then when you want to adjust the height, you just clamp it down. Come over here, clamp it down. And then, my friends, look at this. It even has a nice grip. I'm going to just down for down. Got a really nice grip right here. That's really nice. And so you don't lose it, you've got a strap for your hands. Okay, so here you do see that you've got all of these different heights right here, these markings. Oh, you've got extra tips.
Full disclosure, the company did send these to me for me to try out and give my honest review. Gotta say, I love that they come in purple, a little partial to that color. But also, they come in 8 different other colors, and anybody between the height of 4 foot to 6 foot can use these. Additionally, it has several different interchangeable tips that you can use depending on the type of terrain that you'll be in. It's the TrailBuddy trekking poles. Find it on Amazon, put it in your cart, and get free Prime delivery.